Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Mahanagar Gas, which can be a portfolio stock for long term. So let's understand about the valuations and let's understand when you should buy this. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Mahanagar Gas, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions on a daily basis. Once you get the $10 membership, you will have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time on short-term calls on stocks. For detailed market or company talk or number of stocks you are holding and you want to discuss one-on-one with me, you can directly email me and we can work things out. Now about the company, Mahanagar Gas was established in 1996 and they provide piped natural gas. Headquartered in Mumbai, has around 2000 plus employees. Leader in this space and one of the like a monopoly in this space, have distribution across India, especially in metro areas. Huge scope for expansion of business into second and third tier cities. Market cap of the company has swelled up to 13,000 to 14,000 crores at the moment. If you look at the financials, then September numbers were not very great. So sales went down by around 28%, profit went down by around 47%, and they did tell that it's going to take time before things again get back to normalcy. You need to understand that with the low vehicle movement, the gas distribution was not that strong. High institutional holding but low promoter holding is there. There's absolutely zero debt. Return on equity of 24% and operating profit margin of 35% is second to none and is absolutely top class. And that is why institutions are really loving this company and want to hold on to it. If you look at the performance of the stock, so stock performed really well in the last 6 8 months. Numbers have remained robust apart from the last couple of quarters. Numbers have remained always good over the last 3 4 years. There have been strong return ratios, as I mentioned. So cost cutting has helped for the return ratios to be very, you can say, robust. Consistent growth on a year on year basis. When you look at annual results, it has been a consistent growth driver for the investors, and dividend payout has also been pretty good. So why I believe it is a buy on decline? There's low market cap for such a business. I believe that such a business should command a market cap of between 30 to 40,000 crores at least. Currently, the market cap is half of that or less than half of it. Future growth looks absolutely imminent. I believe that over a period of time, with expansion into different geographies here in India and probably even abroad, things will look even brighter over the 5, 7, 8 year time frame, and have been consolidating over a 2 year basis. So if it is trading around 1100, 1150 rupees or 1200 rupees, it has been consolidating. So if you look at 2 3 years back in 2018, the stock was around 12 1300. So it has done not a lot over a 2 to 3 year time frame, but now may just break out once things normalize. This will be a huge consumption play. It is a monopolistic business, and probably in the second half of 2021, you will see the stock perform even better. So, very few such businesses right now around, and very few such businesses is listed. This is a business that can be held on to or bought on declines and held on to for a 6 7 10 year period. So what needs to be done? In my opinion, this is a buy on major decline. So right now it is around 1200 odd or something like that. Probably around 1000 would be very good levels to get into. So if market declines and you get levels closer to 1100, 1050, 1050 or so, those will be very good levels to get into. It has run up a lot, so you need to be patient before buying more. And if you have bought into the stock, hold on to the stock. Even if it comes down, you can add on to it rather than booking profit. Have a good long term view and you will make a lot of money in this company. It can still become a multi bagger from here. As I mentioned, it can easily be 2 to 3x from these level and have less than 5% exposure to such stocks. So this was my video on Mahanagar Gas. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching and kindly support me on Patreon. Thank you.